Guys, before I go, I just want to say it was my granddaughter's birthday a few days ago. It was her first birthday, so Naraya, happy birthday for a few days ago. And Grandma loves you so much.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video and welcome back to Vlogmas. What day are we on, babe? Day 4? Vlogmas day 4. So guys, in yesterday's video you would have seen that we were on the road all day, and by the time we got to Negril it was like, I don't know, 8 o'clock. That's curfew. So we ended up just booking into a hotel and staying the night. So we're here at the hotel, got a couple of hours, gonna look for something to eat and then head back home.
Look, breakfast.
Yes, but yeah, we're at the Travellers. What's it called? Travellers Beach
Travellers.
Resort. It's quite nice actually.
Breakfast time.
Breakfast time. Yeah, there's like different types of rooms here and stuff. Different options of rooms. And the nice thing is that it's right on 7 Mile Beach. Pretty pool. We haven't had time to go in there. But it's empty. Nice. Excuse me.
Sit around the pool. Have a drink.
Excuse me, please. And then the beach is right here. Beach is right here, which is nice. And the bar area. Resident cat. Yeah. Let me get a little bit of this. The route to the beach, people. How nice is this? Yeah, then I must get some of this. Get a little bit of the beach, isn't it? Went in. So on to 7 Mile Beach. Nice. Yeah. Yep. There you go. Nice, isn't it? Yeah. So earlier this year we stayed at Jamaica Tamboo, which is just a little bit further down. But yeah, this is what they call 7 Mile Beach. 7 miles of beach, white sand. There's just the outline and stuff. Yeah, nice. So breakfast time. So what are you getting for breakfast?
Egg on toast.
Eggs and toast. So the breakfast menu. I think here at Travellers you got the option of booking just the room only, or you can book like a kind of all-inclusive kind of option, or breakfast, lunch, dinner option. But we're just here for the night, so yeah. You can get your traditional Jamaican breakfast and everything, or your American breakfast. Yeah. This is nice. This is a good way to start the morning, isn't it, babe? Right by the beach. The beach is there, and the rooms are right down there. The Travellers Beach. This is nice. And I remember, yeah, Deb, if you're watching this, you inspired us to stay here, to stop and stay here, because you said it was nice, and so far so good. Yeah, only been one night, but it's been good. So Deb, thank you. Yeah. So we are leaving Travellers. We are leaving Travellers Lodge. Just gonna go to the reception and check out now. But it was a short and sweet visit, but it was good. We will definitely come back here like for a weekend or so.
Yeah.
Or for a few days. We'll definitely do that.
That's cool.
Yeah, definitely. So yeah.
Traveler. They say I travel, so we go travel now.
But we're travelling back home. I haven't seen my home for like about 4 days. So it's time to go back home. Yeah. So we're in the lobby. Okay. Check out. Alright people, so we've just left Travelers Beach. Before we go home, we are just going to check on our guest, or the customer that we dropped yesterday. We just want to make sure that they're okay. So they're just up the road in the West End part of Negril. So this is West End now that you're seeing.
Yeah.
West End side. So this side there is a lot of hotels up here, really nice hotels and little guest rooms, guest houses. But there's no beach at this side, is there? Like beach, no sand.
No, those cliffs.
Just cliffs, yeah. They call it the cliffs, yeah. So West End. And then when we drive back through, what's it, Norman Boulevard? Yeah. Norman Boulevard is where Norman Manley Boulevard is like where the 7 Mile beach is and stuff.
Yeah. So
and then we'll get back to that side. But this is West End, Negril.
Yes.
Not West End London. There's a West End in London. Yeah. Where you do the shopping and stuff like that. Isn't Jamaica beautiful, people? Look at that. So beautiful.
Yeah. Note it lit full.
So we just come out West End. Just coming out West End.
It's
just so picturesque. You can see the beach, the 7 Mile.
That's my paper. This is Negril in the morning. Very cool morning.
Yeah.
It's all good.
This is a restaurant we usually stop at, right? This is a nice restaurant right here. Every time we come, we didn't stop this time, but we usually stop there. So we're just going into, sorry about that. Just going into Negril Square.
Yeah, right. In the square now.
In the square now. You get your little supermarkets, bank, fast food places, pharmacy.
Right here, nice.
All your little amenities that you need.
Right here. So we're heading back to the 7 miles of beach.
So this is Norman Manley Boulevard now. Entering. So this is where all the hotels and the guest houses and the different types of accommodation.
The poshishness is up this side. Craft sector, that's what it's up. Fishing village, that's what it's up. And all these things.
Further down at the end of this is where mainly like all the all-inclusives are, the bigger hotels.
Yeah.
And then at this section you get the more smaller hotels.
Yes.
Which are just as nice, if not even nicer.
Yeah, you'll find a few of them very nice.
Yeah.
Very, very nice. Coral Seas,
there.
the one that we went last night.
Travelers Beach. You've got Jamaica Tambu, where we stayed before. We've got there's so many up here.
That's
where we stay, Travelers, which is very nice.
Right there.
Yeah. Just loads. This one, Negril Beach now. So many, and then they're on both sides as well. Both sides.
Both sides again, that's nice.
Condos over there. So yeah, this is Negril. So we've got Grand Palladium and Lady Hamilton to the left. Nice hotel. Outlaw has always said he wants to come and stay at this hotel. Yeah. So one day in the future, we're going to definitely try and make it happen. But ever since I've known him, he's always said, that hotel, Grand Palladium, I'd love to stay there. So there's Grand Palladium. So if you can see the sea straight in front, there's Grand Palladium there. So the beautiful view in front, sea view. And then coming up on the right hand side is Ocean Point gated development. There it is right there. So you can just about see the rooftop of the houses. But look, it's right opposite the sea. You've got the sea there, and then you've got the development over there.
Beautiful. Everybody have a view.
Yeah, that's the view they have. Look, there's the sea. There's the development.
Right across each other.
Yeah. So like I said, guys, we haven't featured it on our channel, but do go on YouTube. So many YouTubers have it featured. So if you want to have a look and see what it looks like inside and the prices, then have a look.
It's all about that. So you know everything go. I keep on involved in everything. That's how everything's set up. Look a bit.
So Everybody, we are home finally. Sorry, there's a bit of a glare. We are home. We've been away for like 4 days. We did stop by home yesterday very quickly, but 4 days. So it's always good to be home, right?
Another brass.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
So we're back home, guys. Look, I'm on the laptop. I have to edit because remember it's a vlog every day, so I have to be trying to edit when I can so that we can get the videos out every day. But we are home. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I look a mess. I'm tired, but I'm gonna edit. I ain't cooking anything. You hear that, babes? I'm not. I'm not cooking nothing.
No problem.
So probably have to go buy something. I know Outlaw's talking about. He wants to go and buy some fresh fish from the beach, from the fishermen. So maybe he'll go out there. I've got to edit. So but, yeah, we're home. We're home. Yeah. Yeah.
Up and going.
Alright. So people see Outlaw there. Just come back. He said he's going to get. You said he's going to get fish.
Fish down there.
What happened now?
So take a jackfish down there.
Oh my
I
god.
need that. I'm going to the bridge. On the bridge.
Yeah.
My fish down there, but they string it out. I said down £6.
Oh, 6 plus too much.
Yeah, but not so much.
Oh, so I guess no.
Man, come on, the boat, I'm coming.
Alright.
So I go down there, man, with the boat, I'm coming.
Yeah.
Get some fish from the boat.
Okay.
Yeah, but the man they coming from morning and when they sell,
Yeah.
they string it out.
Yeah.
Put it down in the fridge.
Yeah,
Sell, yeah. So I see them do them thing. But when you do them in the boat coming, you can buy them.
So you have to go maybe earlier tomorrow.
Yeah. 8, 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Get some fish tomorrow.
Alright. No fish today then, people. No fish today. I think it's going to be a eat out day, fast food day, whatever.
So.
Okay. Alright. So we're in Ochi, we're in 8 Rivers Plaza. Here you got like the Fontana, you've got Progressive, Banks, all different, juicy patty, KFC, pizza. We're gonna go to Sakura. It's a Chinese place. Yeah, Sakura Express. We're going right there.
Fried rice, curry chicken, sweet and sour chicken, shrimp, steamed chicken.
Curry chicken in one.
Steamed chicken.
Curry chicken and chop suey.
Guys, before I go, I just want to say it was my granddaughter's birthday a few days ago. It was her first birthday, so Naraya, happy birthday for a few days ago. And Grandma loves you so much. And it was also my niece's birthday a few days ago too, her 3rd birthday. Anaya, yes, their names are very similar. Anaya, happy birthday, Auntie loves you so much too. So guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Please do keep up with the Vlogmases. I don't even know if that makes sense, but keep up with the vlogs every day. Yeah. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Please do watch the ads, and until next time. That we say.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.